I'm Thélonious Goupil, a French designer based in Paris. We're here today to talk about some design I just did for Vitra, which is a family of planters. We are now in Vitra factory in Italy next to Firenze. It's a historical Italian company that makes all kinds of ceramic pieces. The factory has developed a custom mix of terracotta, which is incredible because it's really tailor-made for this project. In this particular case, the material is alive, and it's hard to believe, but it's never reacting the same way. And until it's fired, it's really like moving, like if it was alive. And it's so nice to think, even if the shape is simple, like to look at it and think, whoa, it's alive, do you know? There is the fact it's made in Europe, where those pots are produced in Italy, and I think that's quite important today, to localize the manufacturing process. It's also nice to work on a product which benefits to everyone.